Hello everyone, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Welcome to 818 27th, apartment number 8A, as in Alfred. Just scanning the road here, so it looks like they're putting in some new bike lanes here. There is parking right next door with this unit, and that is included with the parking. It's secure parking, so it's behind a nice fence. Look at here. You have a freshly painted apartment. So this unit does have its private entrance. So you open the front door and then you go up this staircase so you're off the ground level. And then you have your next front door right here, which most people I'm sure will probably leave open. Going in here, this is a gorgeous apartment. I love the layout. You have the kitchen area here, microwave, range, really deep sink. You have a little dining room area here. Lots and lots of windows, window treatments, tall ceilings, very well lit as well. And big giant living room area. Look at all the electrical outlets, and then you also have individual heated rooms. So this scanning around, get a nice wide view there. All right, let's go continue on. So again, this is the entryway which we came up. So you can absolutely keep this door closed. And here's a closet. Let me get you in there. So nice deep closet for linens as such. And then turn around and you're gonna look at me. How's it going? All right. Here, tub shower combination. Nice tile floors. Kind of looking around here. We have a sick medicine cabinet. Again, very well lit. There is laundry in this building to do your laundry. Again, like I mentioned, secure parking. This is better. Let's look at you got a ceiling fan there. I don't know if you were able to see that in the photo or in the video. I'm going to turn around really slowly and you can see the fan there. So if you're interested in this property, you see the links below. There's links to the website which will allow you to go to the key terms, the showing schedule when we're showing, and then also the application page and key terms. So all those good things that you need to get to next steps. There's also contact information on how to contact an agent if you want to talk to an agent. And we look forward to speaking with you. Again, this is 818 27th, apartment A. There is laundry in the building, and there's also parking associated with this unit. All right, thanks a lot for watching.